Alright guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the best tea. Well, I consider it to be the best tea in the world, or the best hot beverage. And today we're talking about none other than the good old Jamaican chocolate. As you can see, I have it in my hand here. So, you know, this in Jamaica, this is really a traditional drink, right? And sometimes, as they say, you know, we don't really know what we have in Jamaica here. Sometimes we have big treasures, and this is just one of our national treasure that we have, and we don't know how important it is, because in countries like Mexico they call this the food of the gods, right? And that is as a result of how nutritious this product is. I'm just going to give you some rundown of the health benefits associated with this drink. Alright, it have 21% fat. Alright, I'm talking about the good fat. Remember, I'm talking about the essential fatty acid. This have that. Alright, it have 43% potassium, and you know, especially men, we need a lot of that. It have dietary fiber, 132%. It have a little bit of sugar. It have protein, 40% protein. It have vitamin A. It have calcium, vitamin D, vitamin C, iron, vitamin B6, magnesium. So just show how important this food is. It's very nutritious. It is very healthy, and it is very sumptuous. It is delicious. Alright, so today we have the chocolate. We have, some people call it, in different countries, people call it the cocoa, or just a cocoa. Alright, we have a little sugar, I have a little salt here, have artificial flavor in with vanilla, and this is of course the coconut, but actually went ahead and prepared the coconut, but I'm just showing that is natural coconut milk we're going to use today. And I have my measuring cup and my grater, and of course some nutmeg. Alright, so I'm just going to go for the milk and I'll be back. Alright, so here I have the coconut milk, and of course I have my pot here that I'm going to use to prepare the drink or the tea. So I'm just going to use around 2 cups, because I'm going to use all of this. So I'm just going to use about 2 cups of coconut milk, and of course this is freshly prepared coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk or the natural, I prefer to use the natural coconut, because this offer, again, these two are considered superfood. So with this combination, you know, you're going for it. Alright, so I choose to use this. You can use normal milk, right, like cow's milk. You can use sweetened milk, almond milk, any milk that you choose to use, but I choose to use the coconut, and I would advise that you use the coconut. So I'm just going to show you. Alright, so around 2 cups of coconut milk. Alright, that's it. This to the side. This is the coconut milk, and this is where now, if you have the cinnamon, because I don't have any cinnamon now, but if you have cinnamon, this is when you would add the cinnamon leaves or the cinnamon sticks or so forth to this. Right, I'm also going to use 2 cups of water along with this. Alright, so that's about it. Alright, and I'm going to put this, set this on to the fire so that it can go and boil. And I'm just going to let that boil for around 8 to 10 minutes while I'm going to prepare the other ingredients. So I'm just going to put this aside because I don't really need it. I just want to show you that it is the natural coconut that I was using. And I'm going to go ahead and prepare the chocolate. So I'm going to grate it. And you want to grate it, but don't grate it on the fine side, because if you grate it on the fine, most of it is going to be left in the grater. Right? So you're going to grate it on the side of the grater if you have one of these graters. Right? I'm telling you guys, I want you to comment down in the comment section and tell me where you are in the world. Tell me where in the world you are now, because I would like to know. And wherever you are, if you have access to this, go ahead and make some right now. Right? A lot of us don't really drink this sort of tea until Christmas time when you go to look for grandma in the country. Right? But you can actually prepare it at home. It is very healthy, very nutritious, very calming on the body. Right? And as I said, if you want to go natural, instead of going and buying Alaska tea mix and these foolishness, and I'm not knocking those companies, you know, because everyone has to eat a food. But if you want to take back your health, this is natural. This is the thing to go. This is the thing to do. I bought all of my chocolate from a lady in the country. But I'm gonna actually, and if you want me to actually make a video on how you make this, just comment down in the comment section. Tell me, right? Because I'm going to start make my own chocolate or my own cocoa like this. Right? So you can see. And what I am telling you here now is not set in stone. If you, excuse me a minute, if you want to, if you want to put more milk in it, you can. If you want to put different milk sources, you can. If you want to put more of this, you can. Alright, but these ingredients that I have here is just what I use. Alright, and I develop a standardize my recipe so as to have that consistency in the taste. Alright. So all of this is grated, and you can leave that will boil out in it anyway. And then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this final part of the grater, and then I'm going to grate a little bit of the nutmeg on it, right? Because this just gives, wow, a lot of flavor, right? And as I said, if you have your cinnamon, you should put your cinnamon to boil for around 8 to 10 minutes with your coconut milk, and then you're going to add this, and then this boil another 8 to 10 minutes. Then you let it cool and simmer, and then you can go ahead, strain it. Alright, so about that, I don't want any more in there, and that's quite a bit. You need to realize, because you have to be careful when you use nutmeg, you know, because I said it's a little poisonous. I'm not sure, but if you use it, you can say it's toxic if you use too much. Alright, so that is it, and I am going to add this to the coconut milk when it is boiled, or when it comes to a boil, and then I'm going to show you that. So stay tuned. Come back now. The milk has come to a boil, so I'm just going to pour in the mixture. Alright. And then you can stir it slightly or gently, so that to disperse all the particles evenly. And this now, you're going to turn down your flame. Turn down the flame and allow this to stay there and boil for probably another 5 to 6 minutes thereabout. Alright, or even longer, depending on how, you know, the intensity of your flame. So this is it. You can see it's taking shape here. Alright guys, and this is it. This is actually the near to finished product. As you can see, just look at the oil that is coming up on top of it. Right, this is delicious. So for the persons who use sweetened milk, this is where you would add your seasoned milk, your sweetened milk rather. But as I said, I'm not going to use that. I use coconut milk, so I'm just going to add a little vanilla as well. See there, this is where you add your little vanilla just to give it a little flavor, and a pinch of salt. Alright, and you stir that, and I'm going to use sugar, but I'm not going to sweeten all of this because I'm going to give my son a little, but he's going to use sweetened milk in his. I'm just going to use, and of course you see my lovely breadfruit here, so I'm actually preparing breakfast. I'm not looking about turkey and saltfish this morning, it's just saltfish with tomatoes and stuff. So I'm going to prepare that, but I'm just going to show you the breadfruit. So it's going to be chocolate tea with the breadfruit and the salted fish and tomato. Alright, this is a lovely breakfast. So I'm just going to strain this now. I'm just going to show you how you strain it off. Alright. Of course you can see all of that leaving back in the strainer. You can rest this back in your pot, and later on if you want you can add a little water to it. You can make some more tea if you want. Now I'm going to add a little sugar. And just sweeten. Right? You can see the goodness. Rich, sumptuous. As I said, if you want to get yours a little bit creamier, you can add that sweetened milk, but I use the good old coconut milk. Alright, I'm just going to taste it now. Wow. Wow. Guys, lovely. Bursting with flavors. As I said, wherever you are, let me know where you are. Caribbean, and if you're in Jamaica, tell me where in Jamaica you are. I'm in St. Kitts. Wow. Guys, you really need to try this. Trust me, you really need to try this. This is sumptuous. As I said, I'm just going to go ahead and prepare my breadfruit. And when I get none, I remember turn on the yard and enjoy them food. See you. And if you like this video, comment in the comment section and subscribe.